Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to share the kits that I plan to use in June 2026. Crazy that we're there, but we are. So there are 4 weeks that are predominantly in June, and so I'm going to walk through each of those kits. The first of them starts on June 1st, so June 1st through the 7th, and for this week I'm going to use this kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Flamingo. As you can see, I've used this kit before, but it's a deluxe kit on matte vinyl, and I have a good amount left. So I have 4 full boxes here, as well as this half decorative box, some functional things, 3 more full boxes, and some glitter headers, some glittery boxes, more functional stuff, non-glittery boxes, 2 more full boxes, and some icons. So overall, a good amount of stuff, and I think it should be plenty still to get through the week. And I think that the flamingos are fun and summery for sure. The next week is June 8th through the 14th. And for this week, again, I'm using some leftovers from a kit that I have used previously. This is another one from B&R Paper Crafts. And this particular kit is called Maldives. So very summer vibes for sure. And so this particular kit, again, deluxe kit on matte vinyl. Oops, all the little plastics are flying away. So I have full boxes here, 6 of them on this page. 2 more full boxes and some icons, some functional things, more functional stuff, glitter headers and another full box, glittery boxes, non-glittery boxes, and then this one little label that I apparently didn't finish off of that page before. The third week is June 15 to 21. And for this week, again, I'm going to use another B&R Paper Crafts that I have leftovers of. This one is called Self-Care. This is the week that has Juneteenth, so it's going to be a long weekend for us. So I felt like some, nice self-care vibes would be beneficial for sure. Another deluxe kit on matte vinyl. 3 full boxes here, 4 more full boxes and some glitter headers. 2 more full boxes and icons, some functional stuff, boxes, glittery boxes, more functionals, and then that is it for that one. And then the 4th week is June 22nd to the 28th, and this is the one that's a little bit weird. So I have 2 leftover kits from B&R Paper Crafts, and I'm planning to make it work where I combine these 2 kits. So the first of these kits is the Celestial kit, and then the second one is Princess. So looking at the Celestial kit, this is a deluxe kit on matte vinyl, but it's in a little different format than the other ones. So I have 3 full boxes here. I have some washi strips and functional things, boxes, more functional stuff, glitter headers, little things, 2 more full boxes and some more functionals here. So a good amount of stuff, but I think that's like 5 full boxes in total. And then this is a kit. It's another deluxe kit. This is on standard sticker paper, so it's not quite the same, but I think it's gonna look fine when I combine everything. Here I have 2 full boxes. I have some functional stuff, more functional things, boxes, glitter headers and little things, this half box, 3 more full boxes, and some date dots. So my plan is to kind of focus on the blue parts of this kit to go with this kit, that all of it is kind of in blues. Like this is all in shades of blue. And then if I pull in this shade of blue and possibly the purple, but definitely the shade of blue, I think it's gonna combine okay to kind of have like a mystical vibes situation going on. So we're gonna see how that goes, but I'm excited to try it. So looking across all of them, these are the 5 kits that I'm using for 4 weeks for June in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. That's my standard vertical planner I'm using this year. So lots of B&R Paper Crafts, but I'm just really trying to work through my stash and stop hoarding this stuff. So that's all I have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your planning for June is going, what kits you have planned, what kit you're excited to see me use down below. If you don't feel like chatting about any of those things, then leave me a calendar emoji to say hi. I'd love to hear from you, and it feels like a good time to be planning. And then follow me on Instagram and Blue Sky at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads with these kits, as well as bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.